Hello! Good day, learner! Do you want to learn about adverbs of manner? Okay, stay tuned because this is the requirement in English 3 for fourth quarter because you are studying English subject. Okay, here we go. Videos that will help you learn. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Alright, here we go with our objective. This is to recognize adverb of manner. Okay. Okay, let us first know the meaning of adverbs. Tell something about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now, adverb of manner tells how an action is done. It answers the question how. Adverb of manner, for you to recognize, it usually ends in ly. Okay? So, let us read the following adverbs of manner. We have thoroughly, carefully, properly, slowly, completely. See? It ends, all those words end with ly. Right. Alright, let's begin with learning task 1. Fill out the procedures with the appropriate adverbs. You're going to choose here. Thoroughly, carefully, properly, slowly, completely. Okay, in a medium bowl, whisk all together the milk, butter, and the egg. Slowly, correct. Number 2, add flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Combine thoroughly until there is no more lumps. Okay, correct. Number 3, heat the pan. Brush it with oil or butter completely. Okay, number 4, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of the batter onto the pan properly. Okay, and last one, flip carefully with thin spatula. Okay, let us read again those adverbs. Number 1, slowly. Number 2, thoroughly. Number 3, completely. Number 4, properly. And number 5, carefully. Okay, what did you observe from those adverbs of manner? It ends with ly. Okay, correct. That's right. Okay, let me discuss to you that some adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to adjectives. Examples: the turtle is slow. The turtle moves slowly. Okay, what did you observe from the last word, which is slow? It becomes slowly. Okay, slow, the adjective, and to become adverbs of manner, it becomes slowly. Okay? Another example is the boy is quick. The boy runs quickly. Okay, what did you observe? The first sentence, the adjective is quick. To make it adverb of manner, it becomes quickly. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Now, if an adjective ends with E, remove the E before adding ly. Examples: simple, simply; gentle, gently; safe, safely. Other examples of adverb of manner are skillful, skillfully; correct, correctly; smart, smartly; sad, sadly; sound, soundly. Now, if an adjective ends with Y, you're going to change the Y to I before adding ly. Examples: angry, angrily; noisy, noisily. Okay? Let's proceed to learning task 2. Choose the word that says how something is done based on the picture. You're going to choose here: fast, lovingly; peacefully, loudly, gracefully. The baby sleeps peacefully. Okay? The little boy shouted loudly. Riza dances gracefully. Correct. Number 4. The mother hugged her daughter lovingly. Last one. The man swims fast. Why not fastly? Because fast is also an adverb. It is an adjective at the same time. It is an adverb. Okay? For you to understand more how to recognize adverb of manner, let's have learning task 3. Choose the adverb in each sentence. Okay, let's start. The mother held her baby delicately. What is an adverb here? So, delicately. Okay. Number 2, Ronnie answered his homework independently. What is the adverb? Correct. Independently. Okay, number 3. The old lady gave food to her neighbor kindly. What is an adverb in this sentence? You're right. Kindly. Okay, number 4. The boy went to school excitedly. The adverb here is excitedly. Okay, correct. Number 5. The teacher explained the lessons clearly. What is the adverb here in this sentence? Correct. Clearly. Okay? Let's go to learning task 4. Change the following adjectives into adverbs. Okay, number 1, merry, merrily; wise, wisely; glad, gladly; rapid, rapidly; furious, furiously; polite, politely; nice, nicely; calm, calmly; heavy, heavily; fearful, fearfully. Okay. Okay, let's have a reflection of what you have learned in this lesson. You're going to complete the paragraph by selecting the appropriate answers from the given choices below. Okay, here we go. Okay, an adverb is a word that tells something about a verb. An adjective and another adverb, adverb of manner, tells how an action is done. It answers the question, how. Adverbs of manner usually ends in ly. Okay? So if you got all the correct answers, well and good, very good. Have a nice day. And if you like something about this video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Thank you so much and see you again on my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.